Welcome to your daily update with Army Recognition, where we bring you the last defense and security news from around the world across land, air and sea. Today we are going to introduce you to Helsing CA1 Europa, an autonomous collaborative combat UCAV built for scale across European air forces. Europe is moving to field autonomous combat mass. Unveiled at Grob Aircraft in Germany, CA1 Europa targets first flight in 2027 and operational readiness within 4 years, pairing an international bay, high submitting airframe with a Centaur AI pilot for swarm and taming mission.
The CA1 Europa is positioned as a European UCAV designed to generate collaborative combat mass, compact, practical dimensions for daily force use. 11 meters long, 10-meter wingspan, about 4 tons at takeoff. Composite airframe with cranked kite wings, canted vertical tails, side intakes, and a single turbofan. The internal bay reduces signature while carrying precision effectors or compact air-to-air missiles, and the modular airframe accepts sensor kits, self-protection, and electronic warfare payloads without long integration downtime. The operational core is software. Centaur functions as the autonomous pilot and tactical agent for beyond visual range combat. Sierra provides electronic warfare against adaptive, software-defined IADS. Symphony delivers command and control, fuses data, and enables real-time retasking across multiple assets. The intent is an open architecture where sensors, jammers, decoys, or reconnaissance payloads are fitted according to the mission. Europa covers deep strike, SEAD, EW, reconnaissance, and escort. It can act alone in swarms or in teaming with European fighters. The most advanced integration has been demonstrated with Gripen E, opening the way to loyal wingman configurations alongside Eurofighter Typhoon and Rafale. Europa can penetrate to stimulate and map emissions, jam or deploy decoys, while the fighters hold outside range, receive tracks via Symphony, and deliver effects if required. The concept also emphasizes sustainment operations from austere sites, dispersed logistics, rapid turnarounds, with a software and industrial base presented as European sovereign.
Stay with us for a daily update on key development in defense and security, and don't miss our end of the week where we break down the most important stories across land, air and sea.